Ever notice how the best stories aren't just about grand adventures or tearful moments, but about how those two things dance together? And some anime truly excel at blending comedy and tragedy, creating a viewing experience that's both hilarious and deeply moving. These shows aren't afraid to make you laugh 1 minute and feel a pang of sadness the next, all while serving the story. Let's explore some titles that nail this delicate balance. Full Metal Alchemist Brotherhood masterfully combines lighthearted training episodes with the grim consequences of war and alchemy. The brothers' playful banter contrasts with the dark secrets they uncover. Gintama is a whirlwind of parody and historical fiction. Uh, uh, it seamlessly transitions from absurd comedy skits to intense war arcs, keeping you guessing and emotionally invested. Steins Gate begins as a charming otaku comedy, but quickly spirals into a thrilling time travel mystery. The early lightheartedness becomes crucial context as the stakes rise. The Puella Mathematica Magica lures you in with cute visuals and magical girl tropes and subverts your expectations with a dark and deconstructive storyline. Clanad after story uh, starts with slice of life school comedy, then evolves into a poignant family drama. The early laughs make the later hardships even more impactful. Assassination Classroom is a unique blend of classroom antics and deadly missions. And then the comedic training schemes prepare the students for real world challenges. Anohana, the flower we saw that day, uses awkward reunions and playful interactions to explore themes of grief and loss. The comedy serves as a counterpoint to the emotional weight. Your Lie in April mixes comedic school exchanges with the pressure of musical performance. The lighthearted moments offer respite from the protagonist's internal struggles. Made in Abyss presents a seemingly cute adventure with a dark underbelly. The adorable character designs mask the dangerous and unforgiving world they inhabit. Fruits Basket 2019 balances school comedy with a multi-generational curse. The lighthearted moments provide a contrast to the characters' emotional burdens. Mob Psycho 100 combines deadpan humor with themes of self-control and power. And the comedic gags often mask the protagonist's internal struggles. Samurai Champloo blends anachronistic comedy with a somber destination. The lighthearted moments offer a reprieve from the character's difficult journey. Cowboy Bebop mixes caper humor with noir backstories. The comedic episodes are often punctuated by moments of tragedy and loss. I don't Trigun uses slapstick disguises to hide a pacifist's past. Um, the the comedic moments are often contrasted with the protagonist's internal struggles. Neon Genesis Evangelion begins with school gags and workplace slapstick, then descends into psychological breakdowns. The contrast between the light and the dark is striking. You know, Oshi no Ko juxtaposes idle industry satire with a revenge plot. The comedic elements are often used to highlight um, the darker side of the entertainment world. To Ranking of Kings blends fairy tale humor with violent succession stakes. Uh, the adorable character designs mask the dangerous and unforgiving world they inhabit. March comes in like a lion, balances warm slice of life moments with the pressure of professional shogi. Um, the comedy provides a counterpoint to the protagonist's internal struggles. Bungo Stray Dogs presents office comedy and odd jobs at a detective agency. The lighthearted moments are often punctuated by moments of danger and intrigue. Kill la Kill blends schoolyard absurdity with the rebellion. The comedic elements are often used to highlight the character's determination and courage. And Fruit Basket 2001 established the tonal contrasts that the reboot later perfected. The early episodes laid the groundwork for the darker themes to come. So which of these anime do you think strikes the perfect balance between laughter and tears? Let us know in the comments. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,